toddlers! Welcome to Happy Tunes Kids Music! Let's sing, let's learn, let's start the music!
Who's there? It's the Fruit Friends! Fruit Friends? Yes! They're hiding everywhere! Let's find them!
I see something red!
Red, what could it be?
It's round and crunchy!
Apple! Apple, apple, take a bite. Crunchy, juicy, what a delight!
I see something yellow!
Yellow and curved? Yes, you got it! Banana!
Banana, banana, peel it down. Yellow fruit with a funny crown. I see something orange!
Is it a pumpkin?
No, it's a fruit!
Orange! Orange, orange, round and sweet. Juicy fruit is fun to eat.
Look up high, what do you see? Tiny fruits hanging from a tree.
They come in a bunch.
Grapes, grapes, grapes. 1, 2, 3. Purple, juicy, yum for me. When I say apple, clap your hands. Apple. When I say banana, wiggle around. Banana. Wiggle, wiggle. When I say grapes, stomp your feet. Grapes. Stomp. When I say watermelon, jump up high. Watermelon. Jump, 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 jump. Apple, banana, orange, grapes, watermelon, fruit, parade. Fruits are colorful, fruits are sweet. Learning fruits is such a treat. Apple,
Banana! Orange, grapes, watermelon, watermelon.
what's your favorite fruit? Mine is a banana, mine is an apple. What's your favorite? Bye-bye, fruit explorers. See you on our next adventure.
Wow, that was a fruity adventure! Yes, let's see if we remember our fruits. What fruit is red and crunchy? An apple! What fruit is yellow and yummy? A banana! What fruit is orange and juicy? An orange! What fruit grows in little bunches? Grapes! And what big fruit is green out? Watermelon! Banana! Orange! Grapes! Watermelon! Yay! Before you go, Happy Tunes Kids Music. We'll be sharing brand new songs and learning every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Don't forget to ask a grown-up to subscribe to our channel. And ring the little bell so you never miss a new adventure. Bye-bye, sunny friends!